the person that you love most doesn't even respect you. How's it feels? It sounds so sad. And it is because the person that you love most is in your heart. Your whole body, your whole hormones start feeling the way they are. We learn most of the things from our environment, from our friends. So that people say that you have to follow good rich people. And the person that is with you, the person that you trust wholeheartedly, if they doesn't respect you, then it's just terrible. It's not acceptable to be with them, because at the end you are going to lose your own respect. That is the most saddest thing anyone can ever imagine, losing your own respect. In today's time, this is very common. No one gonna like the good person or the person who sacrifice most. Everyone is looking or chasing for a thriller, and it's not about efforts anymore. It's not about love anymore. It's about thriller. It's about adventure now. A relationship becomes an adventure and a joke. I will not say that everyone is like that, but I'll say 90% is like that. And there is absolutely 90% chance, right? You are going to be with one of them. So what should you have to do? I'm going to tell you that the simple thing, right? Accept it that no one gonna respect you and start living freely. It may sound very simple, right? Very simple. And you can take it as a joke, but it is not. It is really powerful thing. This simple thing can give you more space, more freedom for making some person happy. How much we sacrifice. Just think about it, right? It's so much, and you lose your daddy space, your freedom, and at the end you are going to be dumped by them. You are going to be used by them. Or even if she pretend like she loves you, but she doesn't gonna respect you. I've seen many more times. She gonna cry for you and still dumps you, still cheats you, and still doesn't even respect you, but want to be in a relationship with you because she gets a servant for a free. I will say it. I will use harsh word, and it is. I have to use it because men also suffers in relationship, and men's suffering are like the nights, dark night. No one knows about that thing. No one knows, and even if they tell that thing to someone, people gonna make joke of them, and it's just not acceptable, right? If man opens up to someone, then what do you think? That person gonna respect him, or that person give some sympathy to him? No. Even if they give sympathy in the front, in the back, that man gonna be stepped back after sometimes, and it is absolutely true thing. And believe me or not, but this is the reality of life, that when you tell your problem to someone and your weakest point to someone, then at the end you are being used by them. Just when you have time, take this thing to your mind and start living your life freely. Start having that freedom. Even if you are in a relationship, don't sacrifice too much. I will say this simple thing, because the bad guys are not going to be suffering. The good guys, the real lovers, they're gonna be suffer. That's it.